How to unmute status on WhatsApp. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can unmute status on WhatsApp. For that, you want to download and install the WhatsApp on your device. Now, you simply want to open it. Now you will find different tabs over here. If you tap on the chats icon at the bottom, you're going to find all of your chats from here. If you want to check out the status, tap on the updates option next to chats. Now here you will be able to find different status. You can put your own status by tapping on the plus icon over here. Now you can simply upload any picture or video from your gallery or record one. Now go ahead and open up status of other contacts from here. Once you tap on this, you have the three dots over here. Tap on that. Now you have the option of mute. Tap on this. Now go ahead and tap on the mute option in this way. Now, if you want to unmute the status, you want to tap on muted updates. Then find the status that you want to unmute. Tap on that. Now tap on these three dots. Then tap on the unmute option over here. Go ahead and tap on the unmute option. When you do that, status from that contact will start to appear again. Once you tap on the unmute option, as you can see, you are able to view the status over here. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.